So welcome guys, on today's video I'll be talking about how to make up to $15 by just sending email to customers, like to people. So before we start, I'm trying to make this video short and simple and also valuable. So before we start, subscribe to my channel, leave a like on this video only if this video gives you value. So sub to my channel, turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, so let's just get started. Okay, so first step, number one, go to your Chrome. So as you can see, I'm using my phone, so you can make money online just using your mobile phone. So search for the site breezy.com. Okay, so we're not going to spend any money on this website or waste any money on this site. So Breezy, how does Breezy work? Breezy is a platform or a website that okay, let's say make your video go viral on YouTube. Our platform is a simple and easy to use. You put your video in front of the right audience to ensure that your video is seen, get big results with even the smallest budget you have. But we're not spending any money on this website. We're only trying to send our referral link to a customer, like to a legit customer that can sign up, pay for the product, and we get paid from their money. Okay, so simple step, tell us who should see your video. We get their attention, get views, subscribe, and re-engagement. So before you start, first of all, read about this Breezy. Start to know what you can tell to your customer, confuse them, give them value so that they can buy your product. Okay, so scroll down to the bottom of this website, click on this affiliate program here. So when you click on it, it will load up. Click on affiliate program here. Oh, it's not loading, guys. It's not loading. So guys, so after scrolling to the bottom of the page, you click on the affiliate program that I showed you. It will bring you to this page. This Breezy affiliate program. You have to put your first name, last name, email address, password. I'm not a robot. Agree to their terms of services. So after doing all this, they will send you an email within I mean, let's say few hours. They'll tell you that you have been approved to use Breezy. So, and they will also send you a referral link that will be given out to customers. So how and where to actually find these customers? So that's how we now be going to YouTube. So okay, let's go to YouTube. So okay, so when you come to YouTube here, so okay, it's recording. When you come to YouTube, go to the search bar, search for this keyword, how to on YouTube fast. So yeah, how to grow on YouTube fast. So let's see, it's loading up. I'm just trying to make this video short. So if you like this video or want me to do more of this video, comment and tell me the kind of video you want, and also leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Okay, let's say come to videos like this, like grow on YouTube in 2021 by doing this step. Just click on it, load up. Having a bad network.
If you're not interested in making stupid and legitimate money online, then skip this video.
Okay, pause the ad. Load up. Okay, so then go to the comment section. Please load up now. So go to the comments section. Here you see people who are interested in growing their YouTube channel. So all you have to do is just go to their channel. Okay. Let's see how many subs this one have. He has up to 1K, so we don't need him. We need like from 100 sub down. So okay, let's check this one out. It's loading. Please. Oh god. Please, guys, sorry for the bad network. So okay, she has up to 200 subscribers. So all you have to do is just go to her channel, go to anyone channel you find, and you can do this in any niche, in the let's say cat and dog, or any niche at all, so that this thing will not be just find any niche you love. Maybe you can go for the entertainment niche, comedy niche. Tell them, hey, I'm so my name is so person. You are this, you are that. You help people grow up, grow on Instagram. You have social experience on YouTube. You have social experience on YouTube growth. You can do this. Then tell them about Spreazu, how it works, and try to confuse them. And believe me, it works. They will buy your product. So we should, when you come here, you should see either their email or where to contact them. As you can see this one, you can contact her through her Instagram. Go to her Instagram, chat with her, tell her that you have experience on YouTube, or and how you can help her grow on YouTube. Tell her about Brazil and send her your link. I promise you they will buy your product. So guys, that's all you need to do and start making money online. Sending emails, sending messages to people, or commenting on YouTube videos. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel and leave a like to this video only if it gives you value. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video.